So, like Aaron said last weekend, we have exciting news. You guys finally get to see the car that I bought a few weeks ago. So, let me introduce you to the Q45. So you might be asking why this boat. I personally have always liked the looks of these because I do like sedans, but you might not, and not a lot of people do. Aaron got one a few years ago in a trade, and I was really jealous because I've liked him before he even got that, and I told him that I wanted one. But this is basically a four-door Z32 with a V8. Yes, it's automatic, but people do manual swaps in them all the time, so I can't wait to get this new project going. By the way, for those of you that stuck around, the real plan for this is not to build it. This V8 is going in the 240.